Alright guys, so on this DNS projects, what happened was my Bimini top on the boat here, some of the, go to the other side, I think that's where I can see it. Right in here, see that joint there? One of my rivets let go. So we're gonna fix that on the Bimini top. So I'll go ahead and stand this up and find some tools, and we'll go through how to fix this and some of the up and coming projects here. My carpet, they just use chipboard, so I think I have some of that sitting around. It's pretty hot today, so I'm just gonna fix this. But you see this side here, it's kind of falling apart, so we'll take that off and fix that in one of my up and coming videos. See, it's just falling apart, so I got to do this sooner than later. Looks like screws from the backside, kind of odd. I'll have to take a look at this. Yeah, so they've screwed it in from the backside, which is, that makes it easy. So I think the boat will have to be off the trailer to get to that. And coming into the dock, you see I got a couple scratches there. So in this video, we'll also just show you how to, that was from a dock as well, kind of bumped it. These things happen when you have a boat, busy marinas. So we're just gonna get, see those, we're gonna just clean this boat up and put it away. I'm going back to work, so I'll just show you guys how to get rid of those rub marks. And we'll see if we can fix that Bimini top. With the GLA, we're thinking about getting rid of that. Looking at Land Rover and Mercedes. Got a short video I'm going to do with that. Any recommendations you guys have, vehicles that you like, let us know. We're going to be test driving some vehicles coming up here, so if you're interested in that as well, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And back to our project here. So you can see there, this rivet's actually on its way out. Looks like I did buy the boat used. I think I replaced that one last year. So I think I'm gonna redo that one while I have this out. I'll show you that one over there. You can see it's been rubbing. So here's the one that's missing, and there's our hole. So I'm gonna have to push that, line that up. You just turn that. Just turning it by hand to line those two holes up, and then I just grab it. I can just simply grab it and push it up and down until I get the two holes aligned. So like I said before, there's our problem. You can see I lined the two holes up, and I'm just gonna try see the line up. Pretty easy. I can just turn that by hand, and I just push it down. You know, it's coming out, so you just, so I just pushed it all the way down and line it up. A rivet gun and rivets, but if I didn't, I'd just grab a screw, small screw, and screw it in there, which is actually pretty easy, but I do have the rivets, so I'm gonna go ahead and rivet this together. For those of you that don't know what a rivet gun is, there's your rivet, there's your gun, put it in there, pull that back, and then we'll just put it in that hole up there. So I'm gonna work at that. Can't really do it with one hand. It's got to be lined up just perfect because it's the right size rivet. So this was a tight fit, so I just tapped to get that rivet sitting in there flush. You can see it's, so now squeeze, push in, squeeze. You can see it's, there you go. So that's fixed. Can't tell. Now we had this one here, and you can see it's on its way out. Take my side snips. I do apologize for the camera angles. Pop that in. It's hanging on there. Just gotta get it pushed through. So use this side of my rivet, and I'm just gonna put down the phone and tap that through, and then go ahead and put in our other rivet. So this is how it's in there. This is the opposite side. I push that rivet through, take my pair of pliers, tap it in. I like to do it with two hands. So I'm just gonna do that. Squeeze, release, push in. All right. So there's another one fixed. As you can see, somebody just put a screw through that one. May have come off in the past. So now we'll see if we can get rid of those marks on the boat. So we're gonna just start with a car wash and a sponge. See if we can just scrub the marks off. All right, you can see I just got the boat wet. I got my bucket of soap there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get scrubbing here and see if it comes off. Okay, so there's the one in the front of the boat. See a little bit left there, but I just thought I'd show you what's working. Got some glass cleaner and just some shop towel. So what I've been doing, take my piece of shop towel, dry that off, dry it off, spray a little glass cleaner on there. And just start scrubbing. Sorry about the camera angles. Okay, so the video kicked out on me. My phone overheated. It's quite hot today. So, got my piece of shop rag there. So we went over that once. Was that the one? Oh, right there. You can barely see it. So I got these ones to do. You can still kind of see it, so we'll go over it one more time. Let that foam up. Take our piece of shop towel and so it's pretty much gone. Once I buff it and put a polish on it, it'll completely be gone, and I will be doing a video of polishing this boat. I have already polished it once this year. Usually I polish it twice, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these black marks. I hope this helped you, or they're from aluminum handrail at a dock. Waves came up and boat kind of bumped into it, so these things happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this. My phone's probably gonna overheat. So if these videos help you, please like and subscribe to my channel, DNS Projects. I will be doing other stuff. Like I said, we'll be test driving vehicles, looking at a new car, oil changes, prepping your boat for winter. I'll also be doing a test on oils and some other things. Like I said, if you're interested in these projects, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching DNS Projects.